Hello everybody, it's Still Miner and welcome to this video. In this short video I'm going to show you how to make your Unity editor theme dark for free. We're not going to use any cracks or any packages because Unity made that dark mode free for everyone. Even if you have a personal license, you can see I have a personal one. So all you need to do is install the latest version of Unity 2019. And you can click on add here and you can see the latest one here is Unity 2019.4.9f1 LTS. So I can check it now because I already installed it, and you have to install the latest one. I don't know about Unity 2020 or Unity 2018, but if you know, comment it. Okay, after you install the latest version of Unity 2019, you just need to create a new project with the latest version and click on create and let the Unity to open your project. Okay, you can see the editor theme is light. Go to the edit and preferences. In the general tab you can see editor theme and just set it to dark, and here you are using dark mode for free. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm recording a new video tutorials sliding puzzle game in Unity, and I will upload it soon, so see you later.